Welcome to this tutorial on Paddle subscription management. Paddle is a popular platform for managing subscriptions and payments for software as a service companies. In this guide we will cover the key concepts and best practices for managing Paddle subscriptions effectively. Firstly, it is essential to understand the basics of Paddle subscriptions. A Paddle subscription is a recurring payment made by a customer for access to a software or service. To manage Paddle subscriptions, you need to have a clear understanding of the different states a subscription can be in. These states include active, trial, paused, and canceled. To manage Paddle subscriptions efficiently, you need to set up a system for tracking and monitoring subscription metrics. This includes metrics such as monthly recurring revenue, churn rate, and customer lifetime value. You can use Paddle Dashboard to track these metrics and make data-driven decisions. Another important aspect of Paddle subscription management is handling subscription updates and changes. This includes handling upgrades, downgrades, and cancellations. You can use Paddle API to programmatically update subscriptions and ensure a seamless customer experience. Best practices for Paddle subscription management include regularly reviewing and optimizing pricing plans and subscription tiers. This ensures that your pricing is competitive and aligned with customer needs. Additionally, it is essential to have a clear and transparent communication strategy for handling subscription-related issues and updates. To minimize churn and maximize customer retention, it is crucial to have a proactive approach to subscription management. This includes sending regular newsletters and updates to customers and offering personalized support and onboarding. You can also use Paddle webhooks to receive real-time notifications for subscription events and take prompt action. In conclusion, effective Paddle subscription management is critical for the success of software as a service companies. By understanding the basics of Paddle subscriptions, tracking key metrics, handling subscription updates and changes, and following best practices, you can optimize your subscription management and drive business growth.